The split half of the log is loaded onto the carriage now and ready for its first cut. Look how nice and smooth that came out. That is really a nice cut. Okay, here we go for the second slab. It's about a ½ inch thick. We'll see how that one turns out. Oh, that really worked out nice. I love working with nice dry hardwoods. Okay, here I show how to set up for the next cut. There's a guide that goes into the table on the bandsaw, and that guide is moved a ½ inch with screws and wing nuts. Once that's moved, it's all ready to go for the next cut. There we go. Another very nice board. I'll get one more piece out of this log, and then I'll have to get the other half. And there it is, a very nice cut, and very easy to do with this little mini sled or mini carriage. Now it's time to plane the boards so that we can have them all the same thickness and smooth on both sides. Nothing's wasted here. The shavings you see going on the floor are used in my wife's chicken coop. She loves that to take away the odor. I've had this planer and the bandsaw for about 25 years, and they have really served me well, both of them. I did have to replace the brushes in the planer a couple of years ago. This slab is a little bit thicker than the others, so I had to shut the planer head off so that I could raise it up and get this slab in to make it the same as the others. Not bad for about 20 minutes work, and I really ended up with some nice boards to use in my shop. You can do that too. Be sure to give me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to the channel so that you'll see all the other things that I post, and there will be more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.